How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. First, just go to settings and then go to apps, and here type Minecraft, click on it, click advanced options. After that, click repair and click terminate. Now just close this page and then go here to settings, and now once you're here, go to update and security. Now just make sure your Windows is updated, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.